Hi and welcome to the next one of our Pekama demo videos. Now today I'm going to just go through the process of communicating or starting to talk to a Pekama community member and sending a case and then hopefully instructing. So first of all, let's log in. And when we've logged in, we'll come back to the Find a Supplier page. This is straightforward. Now, whether you want to actually start a case, as it were, or if you just want to start a conversation, or you want to instruct someone, you go through the same process. So we look at what service it is that we need. So let's go for a patent. In our demo jurisdiction, we want to file an application. Let's click on Get Started, and there we go. We've got a list of potential suppliers who can offer the services that we want. I can then go through and make a decision about which one of these I want to start communicating with, or I can select a number of them. So this guy down here, looks like he's good value. He's got a decent community score and a good value score. This one's got a nice picture, and so does this one. So we'll select those three, and we're going to request an introduction from the system. So let's click on Request Introduction. At this point, we can write in a little message to them saying, "Hi, I would like a quotation or to find out some more information about your firm." Okay, so we click on Next. Now at this point the system is creating, we call them cases, but this is just a way of giving a name to what we've done here. So at this point, what the system has done is it sent out an introductory message to the three suppliers that we selected, and if I click on each of these, then you can see the message, the introductory message that's been sent out. At the bottom of that message is the text that I just wrote in, and we can start a process of communication. So all of the people, you can see the admin person, the person that you connected to. So here, Celine up here, Jason here, and Pekama Demo here. They've all received an email from the systems introducing me as a person looking for a service, with some information there. And now it's up to them to email back into the system, or to email back or log into the system and communicate here with a response to your request. So maybe if we hang on for a moment, then a response will appear. What we'll do now is we will just check and see if anyone has replied. So there we go. We can see we've got a green message here. So someone's replied. Jason's come back, says he's keen to work with us. That's great. So now we can say, here are the details for the case. We can upload at this point some documents. And when they've finished uploading, we can send the message off to Jason. So we'll do that. Now the important thing here is, so now they're all uploaded. The important thing here is if we want to go ahead and instruct Jason with the case, then we need to click this button. You can of course send him an email or a message saying as much, but the system needs to be updated. The way the system is updated is by clicking on the Send Instructions button. This will send him a mail saying, please consider this as instructions to proceed with the case. And at the same time, it will send a message to the other two people that we chose up here, who didn't get back to us in time, and it will send them a message saying, thank you very much for the information, but we're not going to proceed with you. So we click on Instruct now, and we've instructed Jason. So that will now take us to our outgoing cases area, and as you can see, it updates our status saying sent, and it gives us the option here to withdraw instructions as well. If we just click on that, we can continue the conversation as well. You can do that by email as well. Jason will get prompted to respond to this message and to log into the system and update it as it goes. Okay, so let's assume that he's done all the work now and he's logged into the system to update it, and we'll see what happens when he does that. So he's obviously logged in, he's confirmed the instructions by logging in and updating the system, so that's now on confirmed. So we now know in our outgoing cases that the status is this one, that he's working on it. He hasn't sent us any more messages yet. And there's an auto-generated message that's come in saying that first of all, I'm pleased to confirm the safe receipt of your instructions, and secondly, that I'm pleased to confirm that your instructions were executed and the work was completed on time. So that's now marked as completed. What this status does is once this is changed to completed, that is when your community score will be increased by the system. And as we've talked about previously, increasing your community score makes you more likely to be picked by people looking for someone to work with. So logging in, pressing these buttons is very important for the system to function as we hope it will. So that's all for now. If you've got any questions, then support@pekama.com or leave a comment in the video. If there are any other videos you'd like us to create or to show, then please do so. Thank you very much for listening.